Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt.
What's up, Hank?
What's up? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Merry
2026.
Christmas. Big year, 2026.
Have you said it enough times yet?
I have.
I haven't.
New Year. Well, you haven't said Happy New Year enough?
I've said Happy New Year, but 2026?
Oh, yeah, I know. Writing it down is always the hardest.
Man, it's coming fast.
It is.
And you know what it means?
What's that?
What does 2026 mean for me and you?
I don't know.
When 2026 rolls around, so does the Tampa RV Super Show.
Tampa Super Show. It's always like the very first
Don't
thing.
act like you don't know.
I come off my Christmas vacation, I get home, and I got 10 days, and then all of a sudden it's the busiest week of my life.
Yeah, you done taking over countries.
Oh my gosh. We were partying in Puerto Rico all Christmas with my wife's family. It was a blast.
Very nice.
It was
Very
a
nice.
blast.
I hope everyone
Feliz
had a great
Navidad.
New Year. Yes, Feliz Navidad.
Felicidad. It's
Yeah.
Happy New Year. So they don't say Happy New Year, they say Felicidad.
There you go.
Like,
yeah.
Feliz.
Okay.
Like
Congratulations.
happiness. I don't know.
Look at you being bilingual.
I know, I am bilingual now.
Right.
Pan sobao is
those
the Puerto
words.
Rican bread. Pan sobao is the best thing in the world. I gained 3 pounds while I was on vacation.
Oh, really? Yeah.
3 pounds in Puerto Rico.
Man, I've never been to Puerto Rico. I would love to go. We need to take some vans.
Yeah.
We can't drive vans to Puerto Rico. We're going to have to put it.
There was no vans in Puerto Rico.
There's no camper vans?
Zero.
Oh.
Zero.
We got to get some camper. I know we have camper van people in Puerto
We do
Rico.
have some Puerto Rican camper van people.
So we got to get some vans out there.
Well, hopefully we can make some new camper van people in Tampa.
Absolutely. You can come see us. We're going to be, you're basically controlling the Tampa RV Super Show for vans.
I want to control the whole world for vans.
I know you do.
How do we do that?
Oh, we'll make it happen.
How do we do that?
2026 is the year.
2026, baby.
Yeah.
So we are going to be in Tampa. It's January 14th through the 18th. That's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Me and Hank will be there the entire time, meeting and greeting and selling RVs. Our goal for this is to sell a ton of RVs, people to come, look at everything, and find the best one that fits what they want. This video here, we're going to be previewing a couple of the brand new Roadtreks. I know we did a video a couple weeks ago.
We did.
On the new Roadtreks.
But we missed these. We didn't have them.
Because these just came here. These are 2 of the hottest, newest vans that Roadtrek and Westfalia made. This is the Westfalia Wave For 2.
Is this the first time anyone's seeing this? Because I've never seen this before.
First time anyone's
seen this.
This
is interesting.
Well, the traditional Wave, remember it has the front 2 seats and it has that bench behind it that folds out to a bed.
Right.
We have found that people are asking for the Westfalia Wave, but they're like, we're only 2 people. We don't need that. Can you just make it for 2? So
got it.
Our neighbors to the north decided that this is the floor plan.
Yeah, that's really interesting.
Nice big
should I go in here?
Yeah, jump on in.
By the way, this just came in. So
it is dirty
it's
and it's
really
not
crazy here. Yeah, there's all the stuff that comes with it.
We got 14 vans that are going to be here today just to go to Tampa. So everyone ships me vans the last minute because they love me so much.
Yeah, because there's nothing. You got nothing going on.
This thing is leaving
right before the show
to go to Tampa. Today.
This is really interesting. So many things. First of all, here, let me come back out actually, so people can get a look at this, because I don't really see this configuration too often.
No.
You've got the fridge.
So it's cool because you have a desk right here, and this does extend out, so that way you can. I don't know how.
Oh, I see. There's another table under there.
How does it extend? Let's see.
Does it pull straight?
Something pulls. Or maybe this.
There you go. Look at you.
So when they're both swiveled, you have the bigger table there.
Nice.
You have the large fridge and freezer, the Verdi Frigo, which is really nice.
Yeah, I can feel
and I love having this shelf up here. They ship you an air fryer, and the air fryer goes here.
Oh, is that what's in this box?
Yes.
Oh, air fryer. Air fryer. Maybe it's on one of these boxes.
I actually got an air fryer for Christmas.
Oh, did you?
I started
at the party.
No.
Oh.
My wife gave it to me.
Oh,
I think my wife likes the idea that I'm cooking for her a lot now. I cook every day.
Yeah.
Every day
you're getting skinny.
I'm trying.
What am I going to do with you?
221.
Wow.
221 was my weight.
Wow, what is that, like 30 pounds or something like that? Wow.
I made it up to 249, 250.
Congratulations.
And
I know it's hard work.
It is. But I got the air fryer for Christmas and I've used it every day.
Cool.
Every day. I used it yesterday, I used it the day before, I've used it every day. I've loved it.
Making healthy stuff.
Salmon,
Yeah.
Bacon's healthy, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Lots.
No, there's no calories in bacon or chocolate.
Exactly. So I like how they give you the little backsplash here, which is the LED lights, shelves here. Nice
Very
big
cool.
cabinet. This
Yeah.
here can obviously change if you want to hang stuff up.
If I don't open this one for the people, they'll
No,
be
people
mad.
don't
I
care
didn't
about
open
that.
this
Check
one,
this out.
so.
You ready for this?
Whoa, nice.
Isn't that cool?
Nice little
Nice
extension.
little countertop extension.
Yeah, and this is interesting. You've got drawers out here.
Yeah.
What's up with that?
Firefly, 600 amp hours of lithium batteries.
Nice. Yeah, see, I didn't close this one. Look,
Oh,
check
geez.
that out.
It's pretty cool, right?
That's cool. So actual drawers on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because remember, on the Westfalia Wave, the fridge was there.
Yeah.
The original Wave in that.
It's over here. Yeah. My brain is
so
trying
we're
to.
gonna have one of those at the Tampa show, but we're also gonna have this
Oh.
at the Tampa show.
So this is the thing right here, the bathroom.
Nice big
You might-
bathroom.
let's go in there and show people what's going on
Sideways
here.
bathroom.
There you go.
Nice
Yeah.
black fixtures here. They've
Yeah.
upgraded the way that.
So
looks
I
and
like that there's a
feels.
window,
Yep, there's a window
That's
that
cool.
opens.
storage up
You
here.
got lights everywhere.
You can sit down and
Yeah.
get your shower on. You know, that's
Then
That's
they
interesting.
change.
I
This.
like these cabinets.
Yeah,
here
they're cool.
as well.
I like the
These are
two-tone.
cool.
So I like how they also do the two-tone
Yeah,
here.
that's really
which is
cool.
neat.
Lots of drawer stuff here happening for the people. If you want to know,
They don't want to know.
there you go.
Then Truma air conditioner, solar panels. I like how they leave like an inch off and they put the LED lights underneath.
Yeah,
it.
it's a
Isn't
nice
that- or-
effect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It kind of gives it that like glowing, like everything's glowing
Yeah.
in here type thing.
Still that Euro style.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
And that is the big Westphalia thing,
Yeah.
is that it is more Euro style. It is more durable to where these things can get beat up and hit and knocked around. And then you have this big storage through here.
Yeah,
To where if you
I
have,
like this that you could still. So if you were just one person, I know
Yeah.
this is for two.
Yeah.
But if you're one person, you could sleep over here, have your motorcycle or
Sure.
what have you here, but very easily because this is a Murphy bed.
this is a Murphy bed
Bring
that
this
just drops
down.
right here. Mm-hmm. And it just drops real easily. And then
Wow, cool.
that's it. And you fold it
And
out.
then that's very. Look at that.
That's huge.
Look at that, man.
Yeah, you got
That's
separate
big
lights
space.
back
That's
here.
2 people and maybe 2 dogs.
I've definitely seen 2 people and 2 dogs sleep on RV beds. No question.
The dogs keep you warm and when it's cold like this, like us, you know. But you know, they could go down here if they
I
want.
love
if
this.
they
I
don't
love this
want it.
LED strip. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that is nice. Yeah. Yeah, I like the feel of this.
Yeah,
very
it's
interesting.
a very
gonna come
Euro
around and go that
feeling.
way
And then
just
look
so
at
I can
this.
get
Look at all the
people-
storage down here. So you have a lot of storage down here when the bed is down. So if you did have a bike, e-bikes or scooters
Yeah.
or camera,
Let me come
equipment-
around that way. So when we saw this a couple of weeks ago, that had a pop top on it.
That had a pop, and it was the traditional Wave
Okay.
that was made for 4 people.
Yeah. So this one, there is no pop top option.
There is a pop top.
There
option.
is for
Yep,
this.
yep.
Okay, cool.
It wouldn't be for 2 though, but yeah, I
Yeah,
mean, you could do that. You know, a water tanks are in here. There's storage back here.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah. I like what they've done. It seems like they've just turned
More
everything
storage
around.
here. You got storage. I mean, tons.
So is
I mean,
this,
look at all this.
lithium,
All
do
this
you
is
know?
storage.
Yeah.
All these are
Oh, very
drawers.
cool.
So
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 drawers. Big storage compartment there. Yeah, this is all lithium. So 600 amp hours of lithium,
Mm-hmm.
3,000 watt inverter. You have the underhood generator. You got solar panels. All of that.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Let's walk around. I'm going to just walk around the outside of this.
Yep. It has the cassette toilet, which everybody loves.
Yeah.
I like how they do the black matte kind of stripe down the side.
Yep.
I like
It's
how they do
interesting.
it.
They ship it. It's got a film on here, so you don't get the.
The window scratched up.
Yeah.
I would
Scratched.
I would prefer the black wheels on this.
Off-road
I think
rims.
that would give it a like almost like what we're about to show you.
But you could upgrade that, right?
100%. We do it every
Okay,
day.
you could
for
upgrade it.
people.
And then I remember you were pointing out to me that there was like a winch or something on the one that we looked at, or
No, so on the Play Tough.
Oh, on that. Oh, okay.
Yes.
But you
Yep.
could put whatever you want on there.
Yep.
Okay.
People upgrade the front bumpers all the time.
Cool.
Has the awning. And
Now-
then this here is the Play Tough. So last video we did the Play Tough regular without the pop top.
It's almost like we did the opposite of this
Yes,
video.
both of these, yes. And that's why I thought it would be cool for us to do this today, leading up to the Tampa show next
Yeah.
week. So this is a Play
Don't
Tough.
mess with my brain. I'm already dyslexic enough.
You see where it says Tampa show unit?
Right.
This is the Play Tough Slumber.
Uh-huh.
So we're going to have the Play Tough in Tampa and the Play Tough Slumber. So we're going to have both there right
Okay.
next to each other.
Yeah,
And-
these are about to get shipped out, right?
Right now. As soon as we're done this video, they're hitting
Okay.
the road.
Very
so
cool.
the Play Tough is the same as the Play, except they upgraded stuff. So they upgraded the wheels and tires.
Mm-hmm.
They upgraded the running boards. They upgraded the graphics. So if you look here,
Yep.
it says Play
Right.
with like this nice matte black, this like two-tone thing there. Then this one has that brand new panoramic pop top that we talked about.
Yes, which is awesome.
So right now
people.
it's zipped up.
Yeah.
When it's unzipped, all three of these are
the room in this is amazing.
Yes.
I would like to ask everyone to make a nice big pop top like this that's usable for all peoples of the world.
Large people too.
Yes.
Not just small.
Yeah.
Small people.
Yeah.
So very nice. In the play, they've upgraded to solid countertops. They give you nice fixtures. The play does not have the Firefly. It does have buttons, so each of these are all independent, which is nice. People like that. It does have a propane stove. I do like the light maple along with the blue, kind of that two-tone.
Oh, so your bathroom is here.
Yep, yeah, on the bottom there.
Oh, it's locked down here.
It's locked there.
Oh, look at that.
So there, nice big bathroom.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah, and this has a black tank, gray tank, fresh tank. Unlike the Westfalia that had the cassette toilet, this has actual tanks. This has the same fridge, and they also give you the nice little play logo there.
I like that.
This has a nice big pots and pans drawer. It's huge. And I like how they pick the fridge up off the ground. A lot of fridges are low, so you're getting on your hands and knees a lot of times. Yeah. These are up off the ground. You do have a TV in here, along with the capability of putting a Starlink on the roof or something like that. And then you have the nice two-tone leather. And this is that very durable floor. Remember we talked about it last time, the very durable floor that can get beat up. It's all muddy right now just from us walking in and out of it. But that's the whole point, right? The Play Tuff is meant to take it off-road, take it anywhere you want to go, and it can take the abuse, it can take the beating.
It could be more utilitarian, which some people don't like me to say, apparently.
So this
been spoken to for saying utilitarian.
But, a little logo right there. That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
So this lays flat. You make a big bed. There are 3 seat belts in the back here. And then when you go around the back, we can show some storage off.
And there's a microwave in this, which is interesting.
There is a microwave.
And then just real quick, while you're going around the back there, the seats also have that same two-tone. But let's go around the back with Nick.
So as you go around the back, you see there's a lot of storage under the couch here. You also have the Molly panel that is on the door. This is something else new that they're putting on the Play Tuff.
I like this.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah.
You can get your tool rolls or whatever you need into here, so you can use that for different storage.
Yeah,
right?
lots of storage there. You do have the pop top. You can store stuff up there if you want it. And then
what is this AC on this one? Because I know if you have a pop top,
because of the pop top, it gives you like a Coleman typically.
Is it? So what's
or
this one?
GE low profile or something like that.
All right, there you go. I'll show you guys, give you a look at it in here. But that's typically because of the pop top.
Correct, because it has to be
a different size.
A shorter AC. The Truma won't fit up there.
Yeah.
Because of the pop top.
Yeah. And you want to get a good
and something
AC
else that they put on the Play. It comes standard with the tire carrier.
Cool.
Yeah, on there. What is that?
Matches the rims. Looks like, is it Rhino?
A hard
black
alloy.
What is it? Yeah.
Black Rhino. Yep, Black Rhino, and then the Falcon off-road tires. So it's just a sharp look, and this is the way it comes.
Looks great.
So things you can add to it. Obviously, you can add a storage box on the back. You can add the front bumper, the owl bumper if you want. You can add some suspension upgrades. You can add a little lift. I mean, there are things that you can add to this to make it a little more off-road friendly. But they kind of give you a good little starter kit to where you can start off and
both of these that we're looking at front-wheel drive.
Both are ProMaster Ram front-wheel drive, and they both will be at the Tampa show January 14th through 18th in Tampa. Biggest RV show in the world. Every year they do it.
And how can people find this Westfalia booth?
Yeah, so just look it up
out there.
Look it up on the website on sunshinesetrvs.com. It'll be on our Facebook. We'll have a map on there. They'll also be on the Tampa Super Show website. There will be a map of everything. So look at Roadtrek or Westfalia. Yeah. And you'll be able to find it.
And follow the social medias and all that kind of stuff.
Follow Hank Strange.
There you go. We'll let you guys know. And I think you're coming on the podcast sometime this week in the middle. I hope you didn't forget that. We're doing the Vanasaur podcast.
There we go. Vanasaur, baby.
So anything else we need to let everyone know before we get out on this video?
No. Come to Tampa, see Hank, see myself, and check out some cool RVs.
Yep. We'll see you there. Peace.